my friends, we're on lesson 7-6, count and write numerals. Okay, I'm on page 425 in our math books. Make sure you have your pencil and your 120 chart in case you need it. Okay, I can write a numeral to show how many objects are in the group. First grade numeral is just another word for number. So you're going to write the number to show how many objects are in the group. Okay, it says to look at the oranges below. Count to find out how many in all, and then write the number. Explain how you counted the oranges. Okay, instead of counting by ones, there is an easier and faster way to get to the answer. Okay, it will take us a lot longer if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So, but if we group them in groups, it will be much quicker to find the answer. Well, they're arranged in columns and rows. Remember, rows go right to left, just like in the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And columns go up and down. Okay, it's much easier to just count them in rows. How many are in each row? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 oranges in each row. We can group them by 5s and count by 5s, or we can circle 2 rows because I know 5 plus 5 makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can group them in groups of 10. Here's one group of 10. Can I make another group of 10? 5, 10. Yes. So go ahead and make another group of 10. It's like we're making them in 10 frames. 10 and 10 more makes 10, 20. So I just counted 20 oranges. What should I count these remaining oranges by? If I can't make another group of 10, then I can just count the rest or the leftovers by ones. What comes after 20 if I'm counting by ones? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Let's count that again. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. There are 25 oranges in all. Grouping the items makes it much quicker and easier for us to count than counting them by ones. Let's turn to the next page. Okay, on page 426, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to count the objects. You can choose any way you want to do that, if you want to count by 10s or 5s. Then write how many in all. Okay, so we're adding them up. They organize them again by rows. Let's see how many are in each row. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's probably a good idea to count them by 10s. Let's do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, and remember the remaining or leftover ones, we can count them by ones. Okay, so I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. Let's count that again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46 balls in all. Let's do the same thing for the rabbits. Double check to make sure that you know there are 10 in each row first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20. Can I count this row by 10? No, because there's some missing here. So now I need to count these by ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I have 28 rabbits in all. I don't know if you can tell, but I was making little tick marks as I was counting so I don't count the same rabbit twice. Okay? Remember to count the groups by tens and the leftovers by ones. Let's turn to the next page. And if you need help remembering what number comes next, you can always use your 120 chart. On 427, you're going to do the same thing. Count the objects and write how many in all. Okay, write the numeral on the line. So you're going to do that for numbers 3 and 4. On number 5, here it shows us place value blocks. So for the place value blocks, remember this is worth 10. And these little ones are worth 1. Let's do the first one together. It says to count the tens and ones and write how many in all. How many tens do we have? We have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. I have 11 tens in all. And how many ones? 1. How much is that? Okay, so let's count the tens by tens and the ones by ones. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111. So 11 tens and 1 ones is 111 in all. Do the same thing for the rest of the problems on this page.